To add an organizer, click on Add Organizer. Then it brings the text boxes where we go type the username. In this case, we will say organizer org4 because we have some that's been created before, so we will say org4. Then the organizer's email address org4@lecture.com. Then we will create a very easy password, which is 123 and 123 to confirm the password. Password is matched and confirmed. Then status is set as active. That means an organizer can as well be created but not active yet, so an assistant can decide to block access of a particular organizer at any point in time. At this time we set into active, and the role exactly of this account we are trying to create is an organizer account. So the organizer role is clicked, then we click on new account and the organizer account is created. Now if we go to view a list of the existing organizers, we see the organizer for the creation date, and the last login is blank because we've not logged in at all with this account. So that's all for creating an organizer account. To add a presenter of a lecture, click on Add Presenter. We specify the name of the presenter to be Bob Jones, and the description would probably mention his expertise, but I know professionalism, saying very detailed database description, database lectures. Then we just go down and click on Save. And there we have it. Bob Jones has been created as a presenter, a lecture presenter. Now we click on View just to check, and we see there Bob Jones is now one of the lecture presenters that we have declared by the admin assistant. But Bob Jones can also be edited. His details can be edited by clicking the edit link, and here we could make any corrections here and click on save or delete as well. It's part of the management process. And after that we can go to add discussions. As an admin assistant, he or she is allowed to add discussions which is going to be shared by members of the lecture booking system. That means people using the delegates and the lecture presenters and the organizers can see these discussions. It's like a forum whereby they ask questions, and anybody that is interested in answering those questions will use that forum to answer such questions. So on here as well, according to the requirements, the admin assistant should be able to view all current lecture registrations. So here we have it. These are the predefined lectures, and the only two people we have that has been registered on these lectures. But as we go on, we would create a new lecture and as well add new people to lectures, so we see how this is populated. Thank you very much, and that ends the demonstration for the administrator portal of the lecture booking system. Thank you.
Wait, so it's already. But the time should be. Hello and welcome back. This time we shall be talking about the key functionality the delegates are provided with. First of all, we try to check the validation for the delegate. Let's assume our delegate username is Ray, is Del1, and this time I'm going to be typing in the wrong password to check the validation. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Let's try to log in now. Yeah, there's an error message saying sorry, unrecognized username or password, meaning the password type was wrong. So this time we're gonna try to log in with the correct username and password for the delegate. So our username is del1, while the password is 123. So yeah, we're now logged in into the delegate portal. So first of all, the number one, the first requirement, the first functionality we shall be talking about this time will be the delegate will be able to view all the available lectures that have been added by the organizer, as discussed in the previous video. So when we click on all lectures, here we're provided with all the lectures that have been added by the organizer. And previously, one of my team member added the Hog one was previously added by one of my team member earlier on, which is Hog one and the Health. And next we shall be checking. We shall try to make a registration. Okay, yeah. Yeah, we shall be making a registration now. So when we click on the register button, we're trying to make a registration. Okay, it says sorry, the registration are no longer available. This is also part of the validation. So let's try to make another registration to see how it works. Okay, let's try this one, org1, web development. It also says sorry, the registration are no longer available. That's also part of the validation. I'm just using this opportunity to okay, now so we will try to make a registration now. Yes, so let's save the registration. Yeah, the registration has been saved. So to confirm it, then I will move to my lectures, where we can find all the lectures that have been registered. Here you can see lecture 1 to 3. This is the registration that was made. So yeah, that has been completed. So the next thing we'll be moving on to now is let's go to the home page to see the list of all the functionalities before we know what to do. So now another key functionality is the messages. Delegates are provided with this functionality so that they will be able to send messages to anybody they want to send messages to. It could be the assistant admin, it could be organizers, it could be presenters, it could be anybody. But let's just test the functionality. Let's assume we're sending the message to assist1. How this spelling? assist1, and the title, the subject of the message is my lecture, and the message we're sending is can I make a registration? So, and let's send a message. Yeah, a message has, this is the confirmation, a message has been sent to assist1. So whenever assist1 is logged in, the message will be delivered on the main portal. So this time, the next functionality we'll be testing is the search. So let's type in a search word here. When searching, we can only search by typing in the name of the organizer or presenter we want to search for. Then all information related to the organizer will be displayed on the screen. So let's assume we're searching for org1, which is the organizer. Then the search, waiting for it. Yeah, this is actually the the result is Drupal had this is a lecture that was added by Ogwon on Saturday the 4th of May. So this shows that this is the only lecture that has been added by Ogwon. If we also search for assist 1, all related result will be that means the assist 1. Okay, I think I typed in the assist 1 wrong. Assist 1 search. Okay, I think this shows nothing has been no lectures has been set by assistant, because I think assistants are not meant to add any lectures. Only organizers are allowed to add lectures. So let's try one more organizer. Let's say up to, if we up to. Okay, we don't have up to, we only have one. We're just we only have one in the database. So the next functionality we'll be trying is we'll be trying to send feedbacks to. Okay, let's check the feedback functionalities to see how it works. Okay, the title, let's say it is my feedback, and the description is feedback 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's save it. Yeah, the feedback has been created. So that is it for feedback. We also have the sitemap. Yeah, these are the sitemap. They all work. So let's click on all lectures. You can see this is the all lectures page, and also my lectures. So yeah, it works. And also we have my account, which you can check. Yeah, this is my account. This is my personal account as a delegate. It shows how long I have been registered for, and I'm also able to edit my personal account, my username, my password, my email, whatever I want to edit. I'm able to do that. I think that is all for now. And also, it is also important to call the attention to the mobile. To the mobile app, the way the whole user interface looks on mobile applications, either mobile phones or mobile tablet. But right now, there's no way to prove that. But it has been tested in the group report. So the screenshot was made available in the group report. So thank you very much. This is all for the delegates. These are all the important requirements for the delegates. Thank you very much.
Hello and welcome back to the screencast of WLC Team 3. In continuation of where we stopped from the last note, we would like to explain to you, as part of the measures to improve adaptability, accessibility, the usability of the graphical user interface of our lecture booking system, we have used a theme which is adaptive called Corporate Claim. It's an added module theme on Drupal 7. That is what our entire lecture booking system was based on. So now we will test what this screen would look like on different devices using this free web tool available at quirktools.com/screenfly. So now we will type our URL, which is www.justsharing.com/WLC-Team3. And now the default display is how exactly it looks like on the desktop, the display on the desktop. But now we would like to look what it would seem like on the tablet. So clicking on the tablet, we have different types of tablet devices here. I will test using Samsung Galaxy Tab, which has a resolution of 600 by 1024 screen size. We can see how the whole page has changed here, and the menu is still intact. And the footer is still intact as well. Then we will try to check for what the display would be like on an iPad mini. The screen has changed now, and we can still see the content of the pages, and everything is still in the right order and right proportion. Now we will try to check for what it's going to look like on a mobile, preferably an iPhone 5, which is the phone most of us use now. And we can see how the resolution has changed. And just like I said before, the tabs are still available, and the username and password text boxes are still in the right proportion. I will, however, try to log in as a delegate on the iPhone 5 screen using Dell 1 and password 123. I will click on enter. Yes, this is the login page of a delegate using an iPhone 5 screen. All the menu items are still available. And this, instead of using a scroll bar on this computer, because we're just using an external tool to view what the display looks like, it will obviously be screen thumb touch controlled, so it is easy to scroll through this, going up and down and viewing a list of all lectures. It required me to log in again. Now, checking what it would look like on a tablet device. Going with the Samsung Galaxy Tab once again. This is the result. This has brought us to the end of the demonstration of the lecture booking system of WL System 3. Thank you very much.